Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the modules in Python. So what is the module? So if we talk about general about the module, so for an example, you are having a file and that file, if you are start writing the code means either any function, variable defining or anything you are going to write. So what happen if you will continue doing the work with one file, then code will be very lengthy and file will be very lengthy. So generally for the like convenience as in the professional project, what we do generally, we segregated the code means we create one file for handling all kind of the string, for an example, another file to handle all the numbers. So we segregated. So if we need to make any changes for number tomorrow, then what we do generally, just go to that file and do the changes. The file, it's basically contain everything. In any module file, you can either create the function, you can create the classes, variable, anything, just segregation of the code. Let's understand it with an example. So here currently we are working with the practice.py. So it's also a module file. You can write anything. What I'm trying to do, let me add another file. So I'm going to add the Python file, and this name I'm going to give my module. So you can give any name, whatever convenient to you. So this module name I have given. Here what I will do, let me create two methods. One is for add, and here a comma b I will do, and let me return a plus b. So this is the means method I have created here. Another method what I will do, let me copy it to make it fast, and this I will do multi, means multiplication of these two numbers. Similar way we can add the multiple method. Now what I want to use these two methods in this class in the practice.py. Then how I can do? So for an example here, if I will use that directly, that method 1 comma 2, we are not able to access it. It is giving the error. And if you will see here, like here it is saying create class add in module practice.py. Either if you will click it, let me click it. So what it do? It is creating a class. But currently we don't want to create the class. We will discuss more about the class in coming videos. But as of now, we don't want to create the class. What we want to just utilize this module method. So in that case, what we need to do? We need to import. And what we need to import? We need to import my module. And here, what you can do? You can directly write like as module. So if I will copy and paste it, we can see like we can see it here. It is giving, and here I'm just print it, and when I will print it, it will obviously give the result of as a 3. So here you can see in the right hand side it is giving the output as 3. So this is the way, means if any module you want to utilize, just import that and then you can do accordingly. Now the other thing, we are importing currently like this. If you want to import from my module, so my module and import, if you want the specific file, for an example add, if you want, so what you can do, so it's basically capital add. If you want to import only one method, then you can directly import like this, and here no need to write anything. And if you want to import everything, you can put the star. So that will also start, means it will work. In that case, no need to write. For multi also, like for an example here, if I will use multi, so in that case it is going to work. Let me copy this method so it will not give any compilation error. So here you can see we can do it. But if I will write add, then for multi we have to write. So it's up to you how you want to import that particular module things. But if you want to utilize other module, function, variable, anything, first we have to import and can utilize. So that's it for this video. If you have any question and doubt, please comment. Thank you.